AI isn't coming for your job, but someone using AI probably is. And the scary part, you don't fall behind all at once. You fall behind slowly by ignoring it. If AI feels overwhelming, noisy, or like something you deal with later, this video is for you. I'm not here to hype AI. I'm here to show you a practical way to stay relevant. No buzzwords, no panic, no becoming an AI expert. Let's dig into it. First mistake people make, they treat AI like magic. You don't need to know how to build a model, but you do need a mental model. AI takes input, finds patterns, and produces output. That's it. It doesn't think, it doesn't understand, and it can confidently be wrong. Once you understand this, you stop being impressed and start being effective. Most people jump straight to this. I should build an agent. I should learn machine learning. I should start an AI startup. And then they burn out. The real advantage, being an AI user first. Use AI daily to write, to summarize, to plan, to research, to think. If AI doesn't save you time today, learning more won't help later. AI doesn't replace people. It replaces parts of jobs. The winners aren't people who know AI. They are people who know something plus AI. Developer plus AI builds faster. Marketer plus AI researches better. Manager plus AI thinks clearer. AI alone is noise. Skill plus AI is leverage. You don't need to be technical, but you do need not to be helpless. You should know what an API is, how data gets into an AI system, and the difference between a tool, a workflow, and an agent. Not to build everything, but to know what's real and what's hype. Forget the next big AI idea. Build something small and boring. A workflow that saves 30 minutes a day, a personal AI assistant for your job, a tiny tool that fixes one annoying problem. Small wins compound. Demos beat opinions. Here is how you spot noise. This changes everything. This replaces all jobs. Or 50-step agent diagrams with no users. That's noise. Real signals are quieter. People shipping. People solving boring problems. AI replacing parts of work, not all of it. AI won't slow down. Waiting until you feel ready is the riskiest move. You don't need to outrun AI. You just need to walk toward it. Consistently, experiment weekly, build small things, pair AI with real skills. That's how you don't get left behind. If this helped, subscribe and comment below. What do you do for work? And how do you think AI will affect it? See you in the next video.